The other day, I went to the place as early as I can. I was surprised because when we were walking on the street, oh my God, the warehouse that we went to was isolated from the center. It is located at Bagbat in Quezon City. I was wondering, why is it separated from the barangay? But she did not say anything. Then I said, why? What is my real job? Okay, he said. To be true, your job is you will work in the child center. I said, yes, it's illegal. I know, it's illegal. But it is the easiest way to earn money. All I have to do is to take care of those cute little children. I have to avoid them from running away from the apps. And that's it.